Yeah.
Lovely good day today. I think we'll win again today. I think 3-1. Easy 3-1 today. Now we've started the ball rolling, I think we'll get...
Yeah, there's a good feeling amongst the fans. So.
Yeah, everyone's busy, happy. All the new shirts are selling out.
Have you got the new player yet?
No, not yet.
He's not playing today.
Waiting for it all to settle down before we start getting players. I've got Vardy because he's just a genuine hero of Leicester, isn't he?
That's right. He's not playing yet today.
We've
but...
had a new flag done.
All right. Let's have a look.
There you go.
Very good.
So if anybody wants a flag, we're down here.
Thank you.
So,
3-0. Are you pleased with how we started? Yeah. What about the new player then? Do you think he'll come on second half? 3-0. I know we've got 2 goalies, haven't we? 2 goalkeepers. Not in the side, no, but the subs.
You've got a new Italian lad out there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Well, he's on loan.
Yeah, I think, well, points-wise good. Performances-wise a bit mixed at times, but work in progress, isn't it? So I'm all right with where we're at after, 3 games.
I was hoping the new player would start.
Well, yeah, me too. But I've just seen him warming up. He's a big lad.
Oh yeah, 6 foot.
So he'll give us a physical presence. I would imagine we'll see him in the second half.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Anyway, let's hope you brought us some luck. 4 on the trot, is it?
Fingers crossed.
You alright?
Hello to all my friends, all my mates I used to work with. I think we're going to win today.
Yeah. What score?
I'm not naming the score, we're going to win.
Okay. What about the new player? You surprised he's not starting?
Fantastic. He can't start with him, innit?
Yeah, he's not though.
Innit?
No.
Oh,
He's sub.
some is they?
Yeah. But we'll see.
We'll see.
that one.
Yeah, good goal down there.
Both good goals.
Yeah, both good goals.
Yeah. It's a shame we seem to give the ball away in midfield and then they capitalise on it.
We did close them down quick.
We should have had a penalty as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Never mind. What do you reckon? Score? 2-1?
We'll score 2 more.
3-1?
Yeah, 3-1.
Great goal, great goal.